Hello to everyone, welcome back to our educational channel. Today I will explain about conversion of fraction to percentage. First one is 2 by 5 is equals 2 by 5 into 100. Fraction change into percentage, then multiply with 100. 2 by 5 into 100. So now simplify 2 by 5 into 100. Simplify, reduce the fraction. 5 ones are 5 ones 5, 5 20s are 100. So 2 into 20, 2 20s are 40. Then next one, we will go to the next one. 3 by 4 is the fraction. 3 by 4 is equal to 3 by 4 into 100. So again 3 by 4 into 100, we will reduce the fraction. 4 into 100. 4 ones are 425s. 25 threes are 75%. Next we will go to the next one. 4 by 10 is equal to 4 by 10 into 100. 4 by 10 into 100. Then simplify 10 and 100. 10 ones are 10. 10 tens are 100. 4 tens are 40. 40%. Next we will go to the next one. Here 25 by 50 into 100. 50 and 100 reduce it. 51s and 52s. Then remaining 25 2. 25 2s are 50. Next one we will go to the 27 by 75 into 100. 75 and 100 we will reduce it. 25 3s 75. 25 4s 100. Then here 27, here 3. Again these two are reduced. 3 ones 3, 3 nines 27. Remaining 9 and 4. 9 4 36. 9 4 is 36. Okay. Thank you.